Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the on-screen control settings on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what we need to do is go over to settings and then go to reading settings. As you guys can see, here we have the on-screen controls, and basically here we can choose where you prefer to tap your screen in order to page forward, back, or basically bring up the reading menu. So you can, this is the default one. You can do that by simply tapping here and here. It's very important to do that. Now you can also do that so you tap anywhere here, and this area here it goes back, and this one goes basically to the next page, or we can have it forward. So here you will click and go page backwards and here forward, or simply do it like that. So you click at the bottom to get to the next page, now here to enter the reading menu, and here to go to the page backwards. And yeah, basically here you can also pinch to adjust the font size. I would keep it enabled. It's very cool and very important. Now here we also have the swipe left edge to adjust brightness. It's also good so you guys don't hurt your eyes. And here you can change the page forward and back by, and here we have the tapping or swiping only. I recommend using tapping or swiping because it's better to tap and not swipe. It takes a bit more time. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.